everyone. So I wanted to share a few things I've been working on. I received a package from NBeads.com and they asked if I wanted to pick out some items to use and review and share with you guys. And we also have a coupon code. It will be in the description box as well. So one of the things they gave me was this pack of Christmas beads. You guys, I am obsessed with these beads. I'm going to be so sad when I run out that I'm going to order more myself because I just love them that much. These are so good. I've told you guys before, I can definitely see using these for Valentine's Day and for St. Patrick's Day and some more Christmas projects. And you guys can see, like, I'm almost halfway out. This thing was full and I'm so sad. But it's so nice when you use something up, you know? So I made a beadable pin right here. Now this white bead and this rhinestone bead came from that pack. So I did that pin. I also did this ornament. So I put all the different styles. There are 12 different styles. So there's one of each bead on here. And then I took this little ornament and then I made it into a new ornament. So that's what that one looks like. And then they sent me those beads and then these clay Santas right here. So I did a little chunky charm out of that. So they sent this little Santa, and then these are those same beads from that same kit back there that I showed you. So as you guys can see, I've been using those so much. And then they also sent these little glass charms, which came like simple like this, where it was just the clip, the chain, and the glass bead. And then I went ahead and I added some more beads to the chain that was already there just to fancy them up a little bit. So I have a whole video on those as well. So I am just absolutely loving everything that they have sent me so far. So I also got this kit right here and I'm going to share with you guys. So this kit came with these little safety pin brooches. It came with the jump rings, and then it came with charms over here. So I'm going to show you what I went ahead and I did with those. So in the photo, it shows just to go ahead and clip the charms to the little loops, which are these 3 little loops right here. But I got a little bit more fancy with it, and I added chain, and then I added beads to my chain. And again, this bead came from that little kit back there. So I did that one, and then I have this one as well. And all these enamel charms came from the Brooch Kit. And then there's that bead right there from the other bead kit. So that's what that one looks like. And then I made this one as well. And that's what that one looks like. So this is what I have left over. I have another pin and some charms. So we are going to make one together. So I have my chain right here. And then I just undid 17 chain links. So let me count it out. Okay, so to here, and then I find the end that opens, which is this piece right here, and then I just twist it open. Oops, well I did that upside down. It was this one right here. And then I twist it open and I take off my chain there. And then you just twist it back closed. So there's that. Then now I'm going to take my links right here. I got to find the end that opens, which I think is this side. And then what I did was I hooked one to the circle right here and then one just over here on the side. So we're just going to feed this through the end right there. Then we're going to twist it close. that. Then we're going to open up the other end. So we have to find the side that opens, which is right there. I'm going to twist that open and then add it over here to this part. And then we need to twist this one on closed, like that. So there we have the chain part. And then I'm going to go ahead and take out all my little pieces right here. So that's my centerpiece. Here are my charms right there. And then I did these tiny little beads right here. So we're going to add those in. And then I'm going to go ahead and wire wrap a couple with you guys on camera. Okay, so I got all my pieces here. So I have my ball head pin. Then I'm going to add my first bead, which is going to be red. Then I'm going to add my clear bead. And then I start at the top. And I pinch it in between the round wires, and then I just roll it on down. And there we go. That is how we make our little wire wrapped pin right there. So we're going to do another one. I'm going to feed the red bead through, then the clear bead, start at the top, and just roll it on down. And there we go. That's what that one looks like. So now we're going to go ahead and we are going to attach everything. And to attach everything, this kit did come with the jump rings. So we are going to use the jump rings from this kit. And let's see. So we need to go ahead and take it in. Even though it is slightly open, I found that on some of these I still needed to open it a little bit wider, so I just do that from the start. So let's see, what order do I want these? I'm going to put the reindeer in the middle. So I'm going to attach that like that. And then let's take the next one here. And we'll do this Santa. So I'm going to feed that on. Then attach it here. Now with these, I found it easier for me to attach the charm first. So that way I made sure that they were facing outwards, like all the same way. So I had done one where I put the jump ring through the loop first and then the bead or the charm, and then I realized that the charm was facing backwards, so I was like, whoopsie. So yeah, I just found it easier to just go ahead and add it on first, so that way I can make sure that it was for sure going on in the right direction. So that's why I put the charm first, and then I come through and I add it to the safety pin brooch. And just like that. So I mean, technically you could leave it just like this, how it is, or you could just put the 3 charms right there and you don't have to do this extra touch of chain. It's just what I like, so just do whatever you prefer to do. And then one of them I did attach the chain over here. Let me see if I can find which one it was. It was this one. So instead of adding it right here to this bar, I added it over here to the loop, and I didn't like how that came out. See how it moves over here? So I didn't like that. So that's why the other 2 I made sure that I attached to the bar, because I wanted it more, you know, together and not kind of just shake all over the place. So that's why I changed the way I did that. So there's that one. So let's go ahead and finish this one on up. So to the middle of the chain, I'm going to go ahead and add my next bead let's go ahead and open this up a little bit more. Take our center bead. And you could technically count out, so you make sure you have an even number amount of chain links on either side. But I just kind of just eyeball it and just figure it out as I go along. So I'm going to call that about the middle. And then we're going to twist that close. Like that. And then the next one, I put these glass beads right here. So we are going to go ahead and attach that. And we're going to feed this through. And then when I did those, I skipped one link and then went to the next link. And then that's where I attached my glass beads. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to string this on, go over here. Here's where my bead is, skip a link, and then go to the next one. So it goes on here. And we're going to close that off. And then for the next one, we are going to attach it right next to the glass bead. And I actually need another jump ring. Here we go. I'm going to have to pull one out of my stash here. Okay. So let's go ahead and open this one. And then when we attach these little pearls right here, I'll go ahead and feed that through. And we are going to go on the link right next to the glass one. So here is our glass bead, and we're going to go right here, right next to it, and attach right there. So then just twist that on closed. And now we're going to do the other side, and we will be all done. Let's feed this one through. Look at our chain here. Whoopsie. And let's see, so here is where our glass one is. So we're going to go right here to this one. Close this on up. And there we go. So there is our little beaded charm dangly brooch. I have no idea what you call these. It's just a little brooch. A little safety pin brooch. I have no idea. But yeah, that's what that looks like right there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I'll leave a link to the website, to these products, and to the coupon code down below in the description box. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section, and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.